Hey guys, I'm Sanjay and welcome to our interview preparation series. And today we'll discuss about the mostly asked question in the interview is array difference between the array and array list. So we will graph there is couple of points I have already mentioned here, and we will discuss about this all these points. And after that, I will also use one code, and we will discuss on that code as well. So what is the array? Array is a kind of like a fixed size data structure where we will store same types of data. Let's say you have created one integer type of array, then you will store only integer to it, and you need to when you are creating your array, so you need to fix the size. Let's say in the below, I have created one int array type of integer, and I will store here 1 2 3 4 5 means total 5 elements, so my size of array is 5. So when I create my array, so I need to define this 5, and this size is fixed. So let's say if I store 3 elements, then 2 elements is not like it. My array will occupy that space, empty space for these 2 elements. Okay, but this is the one type of demerits in the array. So to overcome these issues, mostly this size of array and to reduce the memory utilization, so we will use the array list. So on the other hand, array list is the dynamic and resizable array based data structure. So what we can do, we can define our array list, and as per our requirements, we can store one or two or any number of elements, and it will consume that much of memory that it's required. If you store like 4 elements, then it will occupy only the memory space required for the 4 elements, not beyond that. And the another main difference is in the array we can store both primitive data types and objects. I want to store like integers, I can store that one. If I want to store any string in the object, so you can store like strings and any other things, so you can store. But in the array list, mainly it's used to store your non-primitive type or data structures like strings and arrays to the any object you need to store here. So in the context of the automation testing, so I am like when we used to store any links, so we can use the list, or if you look from the drop down, you have like multiple options there, so you will prefer to use the list. And another key point is in the array, if you want to sort, and the array is a built-in features, right? And they do not have much support for these algorithms, but the array is a part of your collection, and that have all these uh, algorithms, like you can directly sort and search, perform binary search also. In this code you can see clearly see we can define the size of array, and we are adding the array, and on the right side we can see this is our array list, and there you do not define any size of your array list. And when you need to add this array element to this list, so you can directly use the add method. That's all about this difference between the array and array list.